This is the laptop, guys, Asus A15. Oh my god, bhai. Thick, bhai, thick. The only fascinating thing about this laptop is कि इसकी lights वगैरह change हो सकती है.
Plus the RTX 3050 and AMD Ryzen 7.
Whatever.
Oh my god.
Now you guys are still okay. That's my dad calling. Well, it turns out it was my mom teasing me as always for traveling alone. And so I was telling you that it was a long queue when I came here. It took me like 30 minutes just to enter the airport. And after that, like, already had my boarding pass and I just have one luggage and that too handbag luggage. So I straight away went to security and it went really fast. And I'm at the gate really early, and I'm just gonna go actually do a little more window shopping as usual. So I'm back. I still have like 30 minutes before my boarding starts, and I have like no energy to even like go around and window shop anymore. So I'm just gonna like stay here, wait until my boarding starts. Also, you guys must be wondering where I'm actually going. So well, actually you'll find out. I'm just gonna wait till the time you reach there and you'll know. The purpose of visiting there, like going to the place I have to go, is vacation plus work plus meeting my sister. Okay, wait. Really weird of vlogging like this because it's my first time vlogging, and people are looking at me. Maybe I'm finding it more weird because it's my first time, but like taking pictures is alright, but like vlogging like this, like watching yourself in the camera, it's a little hard. I'm gonna get used to it, guys. I'm getting used to it. Alright, I'll see you after I board my flight. And actually the lighting here is not so good. You can probably see everything, every scar on my face right now, so that's actually messed up. Also, one more thing, guys, when you're traveling alone, you get all the kind of freedom. You can do literally anything. You can buy yourself anything, any food to eat, anything. But in that excitement, you often forget things. You can like misplace your phone, your boarding pass. So just be a responsible person and look out for your things and enjoy the process. And like a responsible person, I'm going to make 4-5 calls right now. One will be my dad, then mom, then my sister, then auntie. You have to do all that when you're traveling alone. They really don't trust you with anything when you're traveling alone, So that's alright, that's their care. but like I'm really tired. Because it's a morning flight, so I woke up like really early. I'm just like so sleepy.
इस विमान में आपातकालीन निकास है, इन्हें निकास संख्या से पहचाना जा सकता है।
गाइज वेलकम बैक. हमारा आज का फर्स्ट स्टॉप वॉज पौंडी नगर, टी नगर, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव मील्स बट नॉन वेज मील्स. एंड दिस इज माई सिस्टर.